beliefs don't change immediately. So you've got to work with people's habits. And that's the thing. People don't realize we think of habits as only being behavioral, but habits are thinking. So we have thinking negative habits. We call ourselves can't do it. Now, I'm going to interrupt that by demonstrating you can do it and demonstrating you can do it until your mind and your behaviors match. But it's got to be proof over time, because we tend to operate from seeing as believing. So, you know, he had history, labeled himself, that let him off the hook a little bit. Now I'm bringing the accountability back in a soft way, if you would, and keep reinforcing, no, you can do this. No, you can do this. But I'm not convincing him he can do it. He has to convince himself of the truth, which is the fact that he can do it.
I love that story.
Yeah, but it changed him in every way. So that was the thing that was important, because then he became an A student across all of his topics. Then he became advanced placement. Then he was getting A's and the highest scores in advanced placement. And then they took him out of that school and put him in a school for the highest intelligence in the county of LA.
That's incredible.